Hi guys, so quick update lang tayo dito kay Hamster Combat. As per checking dito, kanina umaga hindi ma-access yung website. Merong error na lumalabas pero as per checking today, no, they are aware naman sila dun sa issues na na-encounter natin kanina. So as per checking dito, sa pinaka-announcement nila, the game is back on as of tonight, no. So sabi nila dito, they fix the issue so you can now continue managing your exchange. So to start your game, you can either send start game to your Telegram bot and choose play in one click, no. So the old text will not work. So like, punta muna tayo dito. Try natin i-access itong play. And then, itong play. So, ito, naglo-load na siya dito. On my end, okay naman na siya. Ayan, na-access ko na siya guys, no. So, ganun lang yung ginawa natin. Lalagay ko na lang din yung pinaka-steps, updates nitong recent developments, updates dito kay Hamster Combat guys, no. So, marami nagpanic kanina, hindi ma-access yung kanilang account. So, yun, I keep mentioning naman nito before na don't expect and nangyari yung mga gantong issues. Buti bumalik guys, no. So, yun, that's it for today. It's only a quick update. Raw video na lang ito. As mentioned, yung airdrop, that's not guaranteed, no. So, it's purely speculation. And yun, kung meron lang mga updates, lalagay ko na lang doon sa pinaka-Telegram group. Yung official link ay nasa pinned comment or sa description ng video na ito guys, no. So, that's it for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.